Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AviArts&Craft. Today I make a paper ball or a ink pot. To make a paper ball or ink pot, I take a white sheet of a paper, fold its one corner like this as shown in the video. Then cut the extra part. I make this paper ball or ink pot very easy and simple way. Do the same thing on the opposite two corner. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to see my videos on your notification bar. Please follow this step very carefully because this step is very important to make the paper ball or ink pot. By following this step, you can easily make a paper ball or ink pot. So keep watching this video very carefully. If you like arts and craft videos, please visit my channel Avi Arts and Craft, where you found more videos like this. Please follow this step very carefully. This is another main part to make ink pot or paper ball. Now our paper ball or ink pot is ready. Now find the open portion, cut a small part from it and blow the air from the open